I got a DUI driving home the other night. Apparently that means weekends at the jail. But I made a real good friend. His name is Ben, and every weekend we share the same cell. Ben is a stand-up guy, and he's got nothing to hide. He said he's been doing this for about 2 years. He always makes me laugh with the stories that he has. All in all, I'm just glad that he is here. But there's something strange about him I can see. He gets completely naked when he has to pee. And I know it's not right to judge somebody else, but there's not much to see inside this tiny cell. Ben has a wife and kids, 2 boys and they're twins, and his wife is beautiful despite her age. But I wonder if they know the secret that he holds. If they did, they wouldn't look at him the same. I don't know if I can take much more of this. Seeing a grown man's ass every time he has to piss, it makes me feel uncomfortable. And I hate the way it sounds, but I'm beginning to wish that Ben wasn't around.
Dude, what the hell? If you had a problem with it, you should have just said something. But you told my wife that I have to get naked when I piss. And now, she's filing for divorce, dude. We're not even together. I thought you were cool. I thought you were a friend. You're a real fucking asshole, though. You ruined my life. You're a fucking bastard. I hate your guts.
Ben seemed sorta mad, but now I'm feeling glad, because now I finally have a family. Now I've got a wife and 2 sons in my life, all because I don't get naked when I